Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 117 of our 365-day daily devotional. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it's absolutely fantastic. I mean, it is just... If it don't pull at your heartstrings, I don't know, because it's really one of those that just reaches out and grabs you. If you would like to see any of the previous episodes from today, there is a playlist in the description box, and I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 117. Let me give you all the verses so I don't forget. First of all, this is going to be a good one today, y'all. I can tell by the verses. I just like to give you all these. That way you can, go back and look at them throughout your day if you would like to, or just see how the Lord uses these. Oh, I'm so sorry. Of course, I've got a puppy dog up here with me. Bella, she just cannot be in a separate room, especially with us house sitting. We're staying at my mother-in-law and father-in-law's right now, so we're house sitting, and she has to be in the same room with you all the time. Like, it's... bless her heart. Some dogs are just like that. But anyway, so she is up here. If the camera moves, I do apologize. All right, number 117. Welcome problems as perspective lifters. Okay? Let me say that one more time. Welcome problems as perspective lifters. My children tend to sleepwalk through their days until they bump into an obstacle that stymies them. If you encounter a problem with no immediate solution, your response to that situation will take you either up or down. You lash out at the difficulties, resenting it and feeling sorry for yourself. This will take you down into a pit of self-pity. Alternatively, the problem can be a ladder, enabling you to climb up and see your life from my perspective. Viewed from above, the obstacle that frustrated you is only a light and momentary trouble. Once your perspective has been heightened, you can look away from the problem altogether. Turn toward me and see the light of my presence shining upon you. Whoa. Wow. Welcome problems as perspective lifters. Do you welcome your problems, or do you sit and get frustrated and angry and just feel sorry for yourself? Or you could use those as ladders to climb up, get closer to God, learn something, maybe about yourself, and see it all from His perspective. It's hard not to fall into a pit of self-pity, like it said. If you encounter a problem with no immediate solution, your response to that situation will take you either up or down. You can lash out at the difficulties, resenting it and feeling sorry for yourself. This will take you down into a pit of self-pity. That's so easy to do. Don't you think for a second that I have not felt sorry for myself? Why me? What have I done to deserve this? Like, what? I mean, first my house, then my kid. What in the world? Don't think for a second that I have not absolutely felt sorry for myself. but it don't feel good. And it doesn't help you. It absolutely does not help you or your problem. It does nothing but bring you down. If you can just stop for a minute and think about your problems in a different way, see God right there with you, visualize the Lord being with you right there in the midst of your problems. On the bad days, visualize God right there with you. Get closer to God. See what you can learn. Where is God in all of this? Find Him. Figure out what it is that you're supposed to be learning. Raise yourself up and see it from His perspective. And I promise you, it will absolutely change your life. How do you respond to your problems? Do you immediately get mad and frustrated? Say, why me? Or do you immediately hit your knees and ask God to help you? Ask God to teach you. Ask God to show you. Man, this is such a good one. It says, alternatively, the problem can be a ladder, enabling you to climb up and see your life from my perspective. Viewed from above, the obstacle that frustrated you is only a light and momentary trouble. Once your perspective has been heightened, you can look away from the problem altogether. Give it to God. Just give it to God and leave it there. Man, this is just such a good one. Okay, let's do the verses. Therefore, we do not lose heart. Though outwardly we are wasting away, yet inwardly we are being renewed day by day. For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us an eternal glory that far outweighs them all. So we fix our eyes not on what is seen, but on what is unseen. For what is seen is temporary, but what is unseen is eternal. Man, 2 Corinthians 4:16 through 18. Man, this is just so good. Okay, blessed are those who have learned to acclaim you, who walk in the light of your presence, O Lord. Psalms 89:15. How do you deal with your problems? Are you trying to learn anything from life, or are you just blindly walking through it? Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Because that's absolutely easy to do. But turning toward the Lord, praying, reading your Bible a little, making that relationship with God first in your life, it changes the way that you see things. It changes the way you feel about things. I mean, sometimes we need to figure out how we can show some gratitude that God is there with us in the midst of our troubles, our trials and tribulations. God is there with us. Just like that said, that verse, we need to trust in what is unseen, not in what is seen. Trust the Lord. Trust that even in the midst of the bad days, in the midst of your problems, trust that you are being transformed and renewed day by day. I could absolutely sit around and feel sorry for myself. It would not be hard to do at all. But I don't see my situation the way that maybe you guys see it. I'm just trusting the Lord. It's all I know to do. Man, this is so good today. So good. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.